machine called a hokey? Was that what it's called?
It's called a hokey.
To do, you know, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
You got no way, you know.
Yeah. Music is a symphonic articulation of sound. And I got into music because I wanted to encapsulate sound from many different perspectives. I want
the windfall. I just want the great escape. I want the lighthouse tower to.
You want desserts?
I won't implode. I won't implode, but I might eat something.
There's one puppy that stays between her place and my place. The puppy's a toy
wiener. Yeah.
Very tippy top, my way. Yeah. It's
okay. So
Tell me about that.
He picks us up. He says, "All right, get back on that fence where you belong now." And he's turning to him.
and I communicate with people. You know,
you have some serious repercussions. Isn't that right?
That's right. You can.
At this point, it doesn't really matter anymore where I got my training. The training, I think that
perception. I got into composing and arranging and music.
You ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.